uh, try to learn, not only in the context of what we are talking about here, but the whole of the government and the whole of the nation approach through which KSA has moved forward, mashallah. And therefore we are very grateful for that offer and grace this occasion. But I know how important this is for him vis-a-vis digital Pakistan and our reform agenda. And it combines a lot of these things together. I would like to congratulate Governor Sahab Aapko, the State Bank of Pakistan, also putting us on RAST, because these are the payment rails through which this connectivity is now coming through. Also to the Arab Monetary Fund, Excellency, we are very grateful to you. And of course, Karandaz, on this partnership. And this partnership with the government, as you've said, Vikas, is multifaceted, but certainly for this, and Dr. Neeta, for the generosity that has always been shown by the Gates Foundation for funding it. And inshallah, I'm sure this will bring dividends in terms of this project for the Pakistani workers based in the Arab region, and would certainly deliver economic dividends for Pakistan and Arab region, inshallah.
I would now like to request the main event, the chief guest for the event, to please come on stage for his address. Thank you, sir.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Excellency Dr. Fahad Al-Turki, Chairperson, Arab Monetary Fund, Federal Minister for Finance, Mohammad Aurangzeb, Dr. Anita Zaidi, President Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, Federal Ministers, Governor State Bank, Jameel Ahmed, Waqasul Hassan of Karandaz, Excellencies, Federal Ministers, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. It's really a great honor and a pleasure to be here this evening for this connectivity between Buna Rast, which is actually a great connectivity between Pakistan and Arab world. As a matter of great comfort and happiness, this will certainly a great step forward in promoting our financial transaction through modern techniques. In that, I would like to appreciate Your Excellency, your contribution, and Melinda Bill Gates Foundation, and of course, Karandaz. You have been extremely helpful in the recent months. I'm sure this project is also going to be very, very productive in our efforts. And Minister Aurangzeb, Governor State Bank, all of you have done a remarkable job. But let me first make a couple of corrections. Karandaz CEO said completion time would be 5 years. Actually, he made a mistake. It was 5 months, in fact. So I'm sure he's going to make this correction sooner rather than later. And there was another mistake made by me, and I'm thankful to His Excellency. He made this correction. I thought Buna comes from Bunni, and he said no, it's not Bunni, it comes from Banaya, that is building. So thank you very much, but Banaya laysa min hadid lakin min falus yani. هذا نقطة مهمة جدا. So I would like to make a very short statement, and that is launching of this Buna Rast connectivity project as a matter of great happiness for all of us. It is significant because it is going to expand the reach of Pakistan's digital payment infrastructure. Today, our country enters into a new dimension of digital governance by integrating Pakistan into the broader financial ecosystem and formalizing remittance flows. On into it, great discussions, deliberations, all stakeholders have been involved for the last many months, and recently we've been able to finalize its broad parameters. In the next week or so, we will finalize it, and I will go to the people and announce this program, which will be our program for the next 5 years as to how to improve our economy, our agriculture, IT, and of course all those areas hitherto untapped. There is no magic wand. It's all about hard work, sacrifice, blood and sweat. I think our nation is a very robust and strong nation. Our people are very brave people, full of vigor and full of hope and full of energy. Finally, I would say that let's put our act together. All these reforms have started taking place. Let's not waste time on debates which we have had in the past. Let's now use this time for actual implementation on the ground. Inshallah, you will see we will have dividends for this great country, and we will find our place in the community of nations through hard work, and hard work. Pakistan Zindabad.